3, part 3, part 3, part 3. Okay, I won now, finally. Light cycle mutation. Oh yeah. Let's go, guys. Oh, we can read. Oh. If you have friend or family member in sub, tell them to join Grow Garden. You just made my parents scream. Sub can, brain rot can't even run the admin abuse because they delayed. Mwahaha. Yeah. I saw a promo Nesco in stock. Name one update. Grow a Garden update that was delayed. I don't know. 7 Grandmaster. I cheated. Incomplete. Too easy. Bug egg man. Yes, finally. Bug egg is crazy. Yes. Wait, I realize it's only 50 million. This is really strange. I think it was how look at the gray shop running while buying. I hope she understands. Because if we go here, a ranch. No. It's not the ranch though. Best mutation event coming. What are you gonna stop? Oh. This is not very good. It's so laggy. Bro, what? Stop flicking the screen. Why is it like this? Why? Bro, why? Bamboo got this mutation. It's so OP and broken. Yes, finally. Guys, I'm so excited. Please stock. Stock. It's 10:30 right now. Guys, get your plans now. So a brain is delayed. Dog garden study to run. It's admin abuse in 5 minutes. This is really good. After this stock, this is gonna be crazy. 5 minutes. Join so you can experience your admin abuse. Okay. Don't you dare, bro. This is sign up and admin abuse. Oh, fish. And my shit by new dug up a bamboo seed. I'm getting sent photos of people dusting a screen being supporting Grow Garden. This is awesome. I don't know why his shortcut. Okay? I see green beans in still a brain rot server traders. Yeah, I even saw one when I played on my second account, my friend's account. Just to remind you. So, of course, we didn't make that jump. That will be nearly impossible. Oh yeah, what is this plant? This is like a part of the coconut tree. It's way too big though. Look at that. Oh. Just look. Oh. Okay, anyways. Seeds, a brain rot. Imagine if Sammy joined into this Brookhaven. I mean Grow a Garden server. Bro, why did I say Brookhaven? Huh? Kind of wanna go to the bathroom, but bro, I don't want to do that. The admin abuse is about to start. Like what? All of my friends are Sophie joined. This is really good for her. Oh my gosh. Look at all my friends trying to draw a garden. Wait a minute. I'm a tag to make up my dear wife. Yes. Yes. Wake up. Hello. Is that in real life or something? Oh, I'm way too excited. She rages at me now, so I don't. Are you serious? Are you serious? What? I don't understand. But Sophie, good luck for you. I swear, I will just tag her though. Look at all my friends on Grow a Garden. Everyone's Grow a Garden. Not even a single one playing Still a Brain Rot or some other games. Like what? How's that even possible? All my friends are in Grow a Garden. But imagine if I don't know Grow a Garden right now. My friends will say I'm so dumb that I don't even know Grow a Garden. Like what? Bro, you said you're gonna run Still Brain Rot. Oh, I forgot about that too. 5 minutes ago. Oh, welcome everyone. Hello, Jai. I don't know how to pronounce your name. DJ Jai. This is gonna be really good, guys. You're gonna stop admin abuses. Wait. Guys, this is low gravity. Hello. I'm here in your head. Hey. I'm just... Oh. I'm stuck. Help me, I'm stuck. I hope you're all hyped. Oh, thank you. Oh. Today's admin was... Oh, yeah. Just look at those. Those are Jaspers. It's good boy Sammy. That will be too funny. Carrot. Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm right this whole time. There's no way. Am I right? Wow, DJ Scam. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Scammy is Scammy. Oh my days. Right in front of me. Oh, are you serious? Anyways, over on the other side, what do you mean? We have none other than No. Jay, what? Oh, look at this. I'm not waiting for this guy. Do you mean? Uh-oh. This is not really nice. Oh yay! Brain rot Christian. We're under attack. Muhahaha. I'm a brain. Oh, wait! They're coming! Hello, brain rots. Hello. Why are you Grow a Garden animals? Ain't you supposed to be brain rots though? What are you guys doing? What the? Hiding them in the door, but I'm a genius. Oh, there's no way. Still a brain rot. Let's go! Look, the brain rots are attacking our garden. Yay! Oh, thief! Oh, Mr. Thief. I can't watch this. Are you serious? I'm just jumping over the brain rot. I can't get rot. Oh, never mind. My brains cannot get rot. To be honest, I didn't know Sammy is gonna be here. Chicken Jockey! Hello, Chicken Jockey! I'm gonna kill the zombie so I can get the but chicken. There's no way. Scammy Sammy Garden. Wait, trading ticket. Beanstalk 5? Is that new candle? Tourist? Little orange? That's little gang. It's too late candle. Too late for you. What do you guys mean? Who's gonna win? Jendal or Good Boy Sammy? Pick one. Pick wisely though. What is this? Kinda. Brain rocks make my razor. That's your pet though. I think if you just said copyright. Tick lasers. Kaya pwedeng... Yay! Oh, kakawis ng stock! Advanced pepper! What is going on? Pepper. Oh, this is an OP blueberry. If you don't know, an OP tomato. I never seen this many before. Advanced sprinkler is on stock, so let's go. Here, my dish. Okay, let's go. What are you guys doing in here? Scan. Nice lasers. Don't mind deploy. Take this for my own. Yes, this is not done. I think we won't be able to get White Boy though, because the storage is full. Oh! Plasma! Scammy. Strike again. Why is Scammy his name? Wait, there's no way. Godly Sprinkler. Magnifying glass. Wait. 3? What? Corn, cacao, coconut. Ayouch. I don't know what they're saying, honestly. Oh. Coconut 8 must blink. The other one, cacao. Oh, 5 cacaos is crazy, though. Bro, this is the best admin ABS I ever found. Yes, so if you want to part 4, make sure to like and subscribe. I'm almost sure it's gonna be cut. If it's not cutted, the part 5 will be. Bye-bye.